Hello guys, in this video you can learn propensity score matching. First of all, what is propensity score matching? Propensity score matching is nothing but is a powerful tool for creating groups that are similar in the terms of sample characteristics. For example, if you have two groups, one small and one is large, you can select the case in the larger group. You are the best matching for this case in the smaller group, right? So the rest of the cases, the larger groups can be discarded. Okay. So this gives you two groups of equal size. Okay. So which are the more similar than before in the best cases. So then in this way you can compare the other factors which we are not included in the matching purpose in more equal groups, right? So but be careful, matching always involve a loss of cases and therefore is a loss of informations, right? So look at the image, you can understand a little bit, right? I will give some sample exercise in the art studio. Okay, we will see. This is called propensity score matching. So but why not just run a multiple models? Because if you are the study multiple endpoints, right, so you may not want to run several multiple models, all the associated challenge, right? So it is easier and more placative to run some univariated test of match the samples. So propensity score is matching is nothing but if for example in the cases have 120 samples, in the control group have 600 samples, you want to equal these two samples, so that is called propensity score matching. For example, manually if you can do means it will be give you, if you will made some mistakes or you will do some errors, some things, it will be in this other method. This is called propensity score matching. It will be very useful to matching these two data from these cases and controls. I will explain how to do in the R. Once install your art studio, it is a open software. First install the package that is called match it. Match it is the this is a package name, library name, right? So first I will install and load the required package. Okay, so coming to next, first I have install packages. The automatically show here, just press tab. Okay, so now I want to install the package name is called matchit, right? Okay, this is match it. Just press control and enter. Below it is running, right? Successfully we have installed the package. Next we want to check whether it is a install or not. So I have typed library, press tab, and I have had the name is mat match it. Look at here, it automatically show successfully we have installed the package, right? Press tab and control enter. Look at here, it is successfully installed. Next, load the dataset. So one of the best feature in the R, the dataset, more dataset given the our R programming languages, right? So first load the example data, right? So I have taken the dataset from the R. So I have typed data. Okay, data. So this is a perfect data set from the propensity score matching is lan, sorry, double quotation, lan load, loading. This is a data set name already uploaded in the already fixed in the R studio, right? Just I have run this, control enter. Look at here below, the dataset successfully uploaded here. Okay, the dataset is loading now. Wait a minute. This is a dataset. So look at here, treatment is there. Treatment means yes or no, age, education, race, merit, degree, like some of the parameters also there. Okay, so next thing, how many cases are there in our dataset? So my question is, count the cases in unequal sized group, right? So table, okay, table, press tab, type the datasheet name, landlord, it will be automatically show here. So just press tab, press dollar symbol. Why I put the dollar symbol means, if you press the dollar symbol, what other variables are there, it's showing here. So just I want treatment, right? So press tab. Again I have run, control enter. Look at here, 0 and 1. How many cases? Cases means 185 cases. How many controls? 429 cases. Now I want to combine these two. Not a combine. I want to equal these two samples. Right? So next scenario. Okay. Calculating. Calculating. The matching. Right? So uh, for example, I have given some name, random name, propensity. So PROP, right? 1. Propensity 1. Okay. Next, this is a symbol. This is a mandatory symbol. So you want to mention here. This is a mandatory symbol. You also put here. Next, type library name. Library name means that is a package name. Match hit. Okay. Match sheet. Look at here. It will show here. Just press tab, and treatment is our group, right? Our dependent group, right? So I have typed treatment, and what are the independence variables are there, we have already see, right? In the data sheet, look at here, what are the variable? This is our dependent variable. Dependent variable means our outcome variable. So in this is are called independent variable. You can type independent variable also, age, education, everything, right? So this symbol is called, you want to association between these variables, so that the symbol name is called, like, if you why you I have mentioned this symbol means you want to check there is any relationship or not. Okay, I have mentioned all the parameters means variables, independent variables, age, edo. Okay, finally I have mentioned all the independent variables. Okay, so next I have data means my data name is land landlord. Okay, look at here, it is showing, press tab. So successfully I have our independent variable and independent variable and a datasheet name and library name also. Okay, finally I have had method. Okay, method, method equal to nearest. So this is called method, right? Coming to next, distance. Distance nothing but you want to GLM, right? General linear model. So GLM. Fine. So now I want to run this. Control enter. So successfully we have created the calculating matching the everything. So now generate the matched data set, right? So we have successfully done calculating the matching. Okay. Now we want to generate the matching the data set, right? So next, okay, generate the so now I have create LAN dataset name that is called LAN loadem, right? Match dot data, right? So next, already we have created, right? PROP1. We have created calculating the matching variable. So I have had here control enter. Okay. So successfully I have run this. Next thing, I want to count the cases in equal sized matching groups, right? So table, so LAN landodum. So this is our look at here. This observation called 9 variables 164, but he look at here 12 variables. So that's 370. Actually, we are calculating the matching that time. The data sheet name is changed. So you can click here and plus particularly treatment. Okay, control enter. Look at here. Cases also same variable, same data, and control also same. So now we have successfully propensity score matching done. So how to download in the Excel format means I will share the code. Okay. So once we have successfully counted the cases, after you can download this data sheet from Excel format. So install the package of write Excel, and after that once we install successfully, you can type this code same format write underscore Excel. What is our dataset name? You can mention here, and you please mention your location properly. After that, once you run this successfully, you can first run everything. After that, you are successfully downloaded the particular location in this dataset. Go and check that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.